Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about DateTime value function of Salesforce. So let's proceed and first see the syntax of the DateTime value function in Salesforce. The syntax is visible on your screen. You have to simply use DateTime function and pass the value to it. It's give you date and time value of the field that you have passed. So let's proceed and learn to discuss how to use this date time value function in Salesforce. So for this, we firstly move to our Salesforce all. So here I open my Salesforce account and by default it is open in the Lightning edition. If you are not on the Lightning edition, so firstly switch to the Lightning one and then proceed. So for this I click on the gear icon and click on the setup option. It will redirect us to the setup home page, and here I select the object manager tab that is present on the nav bar. So I click on this object manager and it will redirect us to the object manager page where loads of objects are present, and from here I select the contact object. So I enter the contact in the search box and select the contact object, which is the standard object. I click on this and it will redirect us to the contact object page, and here we can see under the detail there is a fields and relationship option present. Click on this fields and relationship and it will redirect us to the fields and relationship page, and here we want to create the new field. So for this I click on the new button and here you can see the custom field page is open. Now choose the field type and here we are going to choose the formula field type and then click on the next button and it will redirect us to the next step, and here we choose the output type. So firstly fill the field label and here I enter the field label as a contact date and time. So enter this field label contact date and time, and you can see our field name is by default populated, and click on the scroll down and here choose the return type, and here we are going to choose the return type as a date and time because so in the expression I pass the date and time function, so it return us to the date and time. So I select this date and time as a return type and click on the next button and it will redirect us to the formula page, and here I enter the formula. So for this I firstly select the function that is present on the left side, and from here I select the date time value and click on the insert function. Now pass the expression and I pass the date from the inserted field. So I click on the insert field and from here I select the field which I want to pass, and here I want to pass the created date field and then click on the insert, and you can see our expression is passed from this function, and then scroll down, check the syntax. When I click on the check syntax button, no syntax error in the merge field or function, and scroll down. Here you can see there is a description and help text field present. You can also fill this field if you want, otherwise leave it as it is. This is the optional field, and you can also handle the blank field if your formula expression refers any number, currency or percentage field. Specify what happened to the formula output when their values are blank, and then click on the next button and it will redirect us to the fourth step, that is establish the field level security. Here I select the profile to which we want to grant the edit access to the fields via field level security. The field will be hidden from all the profiles if you do not add it to the field level security. But this time I want to visible field level security for all the profiles. So I click on the visible checkbox and then click on the next button. And then it will redirect us to the final step, that is to add to the page layout. Select the page layout that should include these fields. The field will be added as the last field in the first two column section of these page layouts. The field will not appear on any pages if you do not select a layout. And you can see lots of page layouts are present, and we added all the fields and click on all the checkbox and then click on the save button. After saving the button, our field is created successfully. Now check whether it is bug or not. So for this I click on the app launcher and enter the contact in the search box and select the contact, and it will redirect us to the contact record page. And here you can see the record page of the contact. Here click on the drop down arrow and click on the all contact, and from here I select any of the contact from the list of contacts. Like I select this contact and click on the details, and then you can see the contact date and time field is shown. And when we scroll down, here you can see the created date is created by is date this and timing this, and the create date and time is shown. This is fetched from the created by. So when we scroll up, you can see this is fetched. This field is fetched by this field created by. Our date is this, and here you can see our date is same as a created by, and the timing is also same as a created by. So with this we have learned date time value function of Salesforce. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.